In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Microsoft Outlook to help plan your day a little bit better. In the description below, there will be a link to an article I wrote that details some additional thoughts on this, but I thought I'd do a quick video to show how to configure Outlook to start directly in Outlook today instead of into your inbox, so that you're not overwhelmed or distracted by the latest and loudest coming into your life, and get yourself an opportunity to plan the day and get ahead of things a little bit. So if you open up Outlook, you're typically taken directly to your inbox, and you'll have a number of items and new emails from the night before or the day before. Instead, we're going to tell Outlook to open this pane, which is called the Outlook Today view. And as you can see, it's got a couple of elements here that we'll walk through in just a minute. But over here on the upper right hand corner of the screen, you can click Customize Outlook Today and check this box that says when starting, go directly to Outlook Today. You can do some other configurations here if you want to see different messages in your list. You can choose which folders you want Outlook to display for you, and you can also choose how many days you want to see. If you'd like to see what's coming up over the next couple of days, you can extend that out. I do 1 to 3 somewhere in there just to help me focus on where I'm going, and I know I'm going to get into the calendar to look at a bigger picture view at some point during the day. So this is just to kind of really get me focused on whatever I'm doing that particular day. Again, under the tasks section, if you use tasks in Outlook, you can filter this task list to either show all your tasks, which can be overwhelming, or things that are just due today, and then sort by different categories as well. And then you can style things how you prefer, if you want a 1 column or a 2 column or different colors. Once you've made your selections there, you can hit Save Changes. And now, if you close Outlook and reopen it, it should open on the Outlook Today screen rather than your inbox. And that's handy. You'll always have access to how many unread messages that you have and drafts, and whatever folders you selected will show up over here. And that can be very handy or distracting depending on how high that number is on that side. But this gives you a pretty good left to right view of your day. You'll know what's going on the calendar. You'll know that if you have any separate Outlook tasks, you can have those listed here, and you can quickly access your inbox just by clicking here and going over here. One of the neat features of Outlook is the ability to flag particular emails for follow-up. And on this particular email, I may not want to do anything with it right now, but I might want to read it this weekend. And so what I can do is click on the follow-up area of Outlook, and the drop down gives me several selections. I can choose today, tomorrow, this week, or next week, or put a custom reminder on it. For now, I'm just going to show you how that works. So we're going to show it for today. I'm going to go back to the Outlook Today view, and you can actually do this view anywhere, but to kind of build the habit of really working from this screen, go to Outlook Today view. You will see the to-do bar, and if you click on that, you can come down to tasks. Then you will see anything that you have flagged for follow-up. And here's that email that I had flagged back in my inbox with this flag. And now it shows up over here as well. And this will be open the next time I open my Outlook. And as you can see, when I click back to the inbox, it's still open. So it's over here. So that view will stick with you throughout all of Outlook, which is handy. But I, again, like having it here so I can see what's on the calendar, if I had any particular tasks that day, and then the emails that I really needed to respond to will show up here under that today. I can do whatever I want to do with it, and then when I'm done with that email, I can mark it complete. It'll go away, and then the only thing I have left are things showing for tomorrow.